Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best dash cams. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. Relatively compact for a dual lens dash cam, the Vantre N2 Pro records a detailed view of the road ahead and your vehicle's interior. Designed with taxi drivers in mind, it forgoes many of the extras which your car is already likely to have, including speed camera alerts and collision warnings. That simplicity extends to its connectivity, a factor we liked in testing. With no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or smartphone app, it's a self-contained dash cam that gets on with the job of capturing events. The only feature we did miss was GPS tracking, although Vantrue sells an optional GPS windscreen mount. We were happily surprised by the video quality. The cameras can record full HD footage in both directions, capturing video that's smooth, sharp, and clear, matched by decent audio. The interior camera occasionally struggles in bright sunlight, but that's a small criticism of otherwise impressive performance. The front camera can also go solo to shoot in even more detailed 1440 pixels. Number 7 in my list is Miofive Car Dash Cam, an update to the already excellent Miofive 4K dash cam. The Dual Edition adds a 2K rear camera. The front camera is a proven performer, capturing sharp detail both night and day during our tests. Its design remains as slim and modern as with the single cam option, although we wish it used a suction cup instead of sticky adhesive. Joining it is a tiny rear camera that records 2K video at 30 FPS. Like the forward unit, it covers a 140-degree field of view. That's enough for the view front and rear, but rivals offer wider angles. Still, with a generous 128 gigabytes of internal storage, you get twice as much capacity as the previous Miofive 4K. With space for around 8 hours of record time before loop recording, we'll start to overwrite the oldest clips. Number 6 in my list is Thinkware X100 Dual Channel Dash Cam. Capable yet accessible, Thinkware's X100 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Our tests found a lot to like about the X1000. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, it's simple to configure, and there's no need to rely on a smartphone partner app. Installing the X1000 requires the use of several sticky pads, and we did feel that the user guide could have been more comprehensive in helping to navigate setup. You'll also need to hardwire it to unlock the full set of features, including parking surveillance, while GPS and radar detection require optional accessories. Still, once in place, the unit feels nicely put together. Number 5 in my list is Vantrue E1 2.7K Dash Cam. Neat and relatively compact, the Vantrue E1 is an attractive dash cam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 fps. It can also record full HD footage at a smoother 60 fps for enhanced detail while you drive. Results in our review proved sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing also revealed that the optional polarizing filter usefully reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustment does limit its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find that its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a preview when installing, but the smartphone app is the more useful way to tweak settings. Number 4 in my list is Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports, and back recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexar bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dash cam doesn't record in 4K, but we found its 1080 pixel video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dash cams out there with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Number 3 in my list is Nextbase IQ 1K dash cam, a smart surveillance camera for your car. The Nextbase IQ is as feature-packed as dash cams come. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, it's a premium solution with a suite of connected skills. That includes parking assistance, a voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to check in on your vehicle via the Nextbase IQ app, as well as GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All 3 versions include an interior camera, and there's an optional rear-facing unit. You'll need a paid subscription to get the full benefit of its abilities, including cloud storage, real-time notifications, and AI-powered driver assistance modes. As a result, the IQ can quickly become a costly bit of kit, but our tests found that it's also an impressive one. Setup proved simple in our review, while the app made it easy to access its many features. Footage and audio from our 4K review unit was predictably excellent too. Number 2 in my list is Garmin Dash Cam. The Garmin Mini 2 is a dash cam tiny enough to disappear behind your car's rear view mirror. Despite its size, it records in full HD at 30fps with HDR, producing footage that's sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, regardless of the ambient light and weather conditions. We found installation quick and simple. The compact plastic arm takes up very little windscreen space, while the ball and socket joint makes it easy to reposition. Given how small it is, we think most users will want to leave the Mini 2 permanently in place. The interface is similarly accessible. There's no display, but shortcut buttons let you save clips and mute the mic with one touch. The Garmin Drive smartphone app, for iOS and Android, is where you can easily change further settings, review recordings, and check the camera's view. It also helps to make initial setup straightforward. Number 1 in my list is Nextbase 622 GO dash cam. With impressive video quality and a flagship feature set, the Nextbase 622 GO is the best dash cam you can buy right now. We found its 4K and 30 pixel footage almost cinematic in testing, with crisp definition and outstanding detail. Low light and poor weather algorithms also improve results in tricky conditions. Drop down to 1080 pixel, and you can shoot 120 fps slow-mo that makes it easier to pinpoint things like registration numbers. Setup was slightly fiddly, and the 3-inch touchscreen does require obvious swipe inputs. We also had some trouble connecting to our smartphones to transfer video clips. That said, we still think the 622 GO is a simple camera to use overall. We found its interface intuitive, while the display is big, sharp, and clear. Footage is automatically saved when an incident is detected, while a big red button lets you manually save moments. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.